So now we are going to see the fourth sum. Copy the following drawing on a square paper. Complete each one of them such that the resulting figure has two dotted lines as two lines of symmetry. So we have already given two lines of symmetry. One is horizontal line, this is H. Okay, this is horizontal line and this is called as vertical. Again I will tell you, this is what? Horizontal. This is horizontal and this is a vertical line, and this is horizontal and this is a vertical line. There are two lines of symmetry is given, and we have to copy the picture. So this is this picture as I've drawn already. So I just not complete the picture. That is what this: copy the following drawing on a square paper. Complete each one of them such that resulting figure. So we have to copy the diagram as it is in the two line symmetry. So this is an incomplete picture. This is the incomplete picture. This is also incomplete picture. Okay, so you have to complete. So that means I'm going to complete the picture in a two line symmetry. So remaining part I have to do this. So I just copy the diagram as it is in the two line with the help of the two line symmetry. So this is the diagram, you can get it. Okay, with the help of two line symmetry, with the help of two line symmetry. Okay, horizontal line and vertical line. So this is a two line symmetry. With the help of two line symmetry, we have complete the picture. That is what copy the diagram already, because I have drawn little bit. So now I complete the first one. Second one is, this is the horizontal line symmetry, this is a vertical line symmetry. Just I have drawn only one line only I have drawn. So the remaining I have to copy that and complete it also. It's like a quadrilateral. Example is trapezium. Otherwise you can call another name is with nothing but it's like it's slanting square. It's look like a diamond also. Otherwise we can call it as trapezium. And the third one, it's a star diagram. It's also a two line symmetry. With the help of the two line symmetry, we have to copy the diagram and complete the picture. Okay, this is a star diagram.